starting off with the bare face, we're gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner Pencil in the shade Milk, and we're just gonna fill in these brows, outlining the bottom and the top, and then just filling them in. I'm loving this blonde hair moment, especially, you know, me matching the brows with it. I feel like I love this. This is what I live for, okay? This is definitely in my top 3 signature styles. Yeah, you'll be seeing me with this color combo very often. So I'm gonna take that It Cosmetics concealer. It's a concealer color corrector. I don't know the shade, but the products will be in the description below. So I'm just gonna cover my brows with that very lightly. Alright, and then we're gonna go back over it with some e.l.f. concealer just to even, you know, all the tones and contrasts and things of the sort out. Okay, and then yeah, we're gonna proceed to do our eyeshadow. Going in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer in the shade Fear 03. I'm just gonna put this down as an eyeshadow base, and then we're gonna go in with the Faces of Glory eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna start this look, girl. Here I'm laying down that base shadow, just creating a line across my entire eye and packing the eyeshadow on because we're going to buff it out with another eyeshadow shade later. Here you see me going in with the yellow shade. I'm just going to pack that right above that first shade that we put down. And I'm just going to pack it in the same way I did the first eyeshadow shade. And honestly, that's how I'm going to blend out that harsh line. I'm just going to mirror the two shadows together very seamlessly. Seeing eyeshadow go from this to this, you would think it's AI, baby, but no, it's all talent. Raw talent. Okay? No edits, no tweaks. We love that from me. My room like my studio for real. Like, I be half naked doing makeup just in my lab in the zone. And it be a party here. I get that. I'm gonna take my double exposure eyeshadow palette from Smashbox, and we're gonna use this deep purple shade. On camera, it's coming up like a auburn color. I don't know why, but as you can see, yeah, it's definitely like a deeper, like brick red type of purple. If that makes sense. So we're just gonna add that on the outer corners of our eyes, and this is gonna give our look that child. I just hit my nail on the freaking
finger. What?
the headphones.
I mean, I only have a little lipstick right here. Well, no, I got some lip gloss. Is that enough?
We done cut the crease. Now I'm taking that same shade, the last one we just used, and I'm just going to buff it out on the outer edges of that cut crease. I went in with this mustard color shade from the first palette we used, and I'm just putting that as the first eyeshadow we're gonna put on this lid, and then basically just buffing that out. And we're gonna use a nude shade from that Smashbox eyeshadow palette, and just, yeah, marry the two colors together. After that, we're gonna do our lashes. And yeah, we can start the face after that. Going in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Primer, followed up with the Covergirl foundation, we're gonna start this face. I like the coverage of this foundation, honestly. I've never tried CoverGirl up until I think, was it last year? And I'm like, I've been sleep on them because I honestly love it. I need to try more of their products too. So I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in the shade Truffled, and we're gonna contour. Going in with my e.l.f. Camo Concealer in the shade Fair 03, we're about to highlight. Okay, I like to put it up under my eyes, on my forehead, on my chin, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I do like to go back in with a damp beauty blender just to soften those edges and I'll get everything the brush didn't do. I done set my face with the Makeup Revolution Translucent Setting Powder, and I done did my bronzer with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Private Island. Going in with my Milani Cosmetics blush. This is the Baked Blush in the shade Luminosa 05. And we're just gonna, bring some color and dimension back to our face, and then we're gonna bake some more. Honestly, I just do this right up under my contour, blush, bronzer, because it can get a little muddy, so I just kind of clean it up. But I don't really like to bake up under my eyes, but I do it around my nose and down the bridge of my nose. Adding some color down to my waterline, which is going to use the same eyeshadow shade we use in our crease, and then I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte Set Spray along with the ColourPop Flexitarian highlighter, and we're going to finish this face. This is my favorite highlighter. Like, this Super Shocker highlighter is my favorite. I need to re-up, honestly, because I'm past pan, baby. I'm scraping the side of the edges. Lining my lips with the JCat Beauty Lip Plumper Lip Liner, and then I'm just gonna go in with my Golden Fix lip gloss, and we're gonna finish off this lip combo. And then, y'all, that's the rest of the look. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you're a real queen, you're a real OG, and I appreciate you for that. So while you're here, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and on your way out, don't forget to embrace, showcase, and beat your face.